Hello, my viewers. You are welcome to Philomax Physics Mathematics. That is the PM channel. You are welcome to this channel. Please, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. I'm going to solve a question on waves. And this is the question. The question reads, a plane progressive wave is represented by the equation y equal to 0.5 sine into 1000 pi t minus 100 pi x over 17, where y is in millimeters, t is in second, and x is in meters. Calculate A, frequency of the waves, B, wavelength of the wave, C, speed of the wave. Don't forget, you can see this is wire question 2020 and number 10. I'm going to solve this question. Stay tuned as you listen. So this is the solution. Now, let's bring out the wave equation given to us in the question. The equation is y equal to 0.5 sine into 1000 pi t minus 100 pi x over 17. Now, the general wave equation is given as y is equal to a sine into 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x over lambda. Now, what we do is that we compare, is by comparison, we can go to find any parameters given to you in that question. So, we can write by comparison of the coefficient or the coefficient. So first of all, the question is demanding for frequency. So we can see that frequency is here in this parameter set. So we can compare the coefficient of t in both the wave equation provided and the general wave equation here. So we can write 2 pi ft is equal to 1000 pi t. Now, when you divide both sides by t, t will cancel out. Then we are left with 2 pi f is equal to 1000 pi. So dividing both sides by 2 pi will give us the value of f. So dividing both sides by 2 pi, this 2 pi will cancel out. Then we are left with f is equal to pi will cancel pi. Then 1000 divided by 2 will give us 500 hertz. So this is the frequency as required in the question. Now, the second thing there is we have to find the wavelength of the wave. So looking at this wave equation now, here, the general wave equation, this is where the wavelength is. So we can compare this, which is the coefficient of x, with what is given to us in the question as 100 over 17 as the coefficient of x. So we can compare the two, we equate them together and solve. So now, we can write 2 pi x over lambda is equal to 100 pi x over 17. So now we can, if you divide through by x, you know that this x will cancel out this x. So you are left with 2 pi over lambda is equal to 100 pi over 17. So when we cross multiply, we can have 100 pi lambda is equal to 17 times, that is multiplying pi lambda by 100 pi will give us this. Then we have 17 times 2 pi. 17 times 2 pi. Now we have 100 pi lambda is equal to 17 times 2 will give us 34. That's 34 pi. So we are finding lambda, so we can make lambda the solution formula by dividing both sides by 100 pi. So I can have lambda now will be equal to 34 pi over 100 pi. So pi can cancel out. So you are left with lambda is equal to 34 over 100. So when you divide 34 by 100, that will give us 0.34. 0.34 in meters. Now, the next thing that the question demands for is to find the speed of the wave. So what is the formula for speed of the wave? We know that speed of the wave is given as v is equal to f lambda. That is the frequency times the wavelength will give us the speed. So, and we know that the frequency we calculated it gave us 500 hertz. And the lambda here we gotten it to be 0.34 meters. So that would be 500 times 0.34. So when you multiply 500 by 0.34 will give us 170 meter per second. So this is the speed of the wave as required or asked in the question. I'm very sure you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it, put down your comment. I love you. Bye.